welcome back. So today I reached in a bucket of locks that I got from Black Dolphin90 and pulled out a padlock. Thank you again for all the locks, man. But this one is a BURG WACHTER Magno. It says BURG WACHTER on the key. On the back it says double bolted, rust-proof interior, and 400E40. So yeah. At any rate, I thought I would check it out. You know what? Here's the bitting on the key. I almost forgot to show you guys that. Lows in the front, high in the back. Yeah, pretty good. But at any rate, I thought I would. You know what? I'm not going to put it in the vise. I'll just pick it out of my hand. I haven't done that in a while, so we'll give that a shot. I'm going to grab my 50 thousandths pry bar, Peterson. That'll work. And I'm going to grab my gem as well. Yeah, that's what I usually use. So, in just about anything. I guess I can zoom in just a hair for you guys. Hopefully that's focusing. There we go. And I'll start in the back of the lock, pull forward. It's like, oh wow, tension, nothing's binding. 3. Okay, I gotta click on him. Hmm. 2. Had to heavy up on my tension. 4, and it opened. Yeah, not too bad. Like I said, it's just a little 40mm padlock. So, but thank you again, Black Dolphin90 for sending it. Thank you guys for watching, and well, don't break the law.